Hi everyone, this is the video number 2 of our ethical hacking using Kali Linux video series, and this is the most important video of our video series. In this video I will tell you the punishments of cybercrime. Yes, if a person does any fraud with other person on the internet or in electronic form, then the person charged under IT Act. So watch this video till the end before learn ethical hacking. So let's get started. So basically in this video we will talk about India IT Acts. So before proceeding further, please pause the video and read the disclaimer. So in this video we will talk about very important topic, that is India IT Act 2000, and I will tell you the overview of IT Acts and what is India IT Act. Then we will talk about its sections, that is section 65 to section 71. First of all, we also know Information Technology Act by the name of ITA 2000 or the IT Acts. It is the primary law in India dealing with cybercrime and e-commerce, and it is based on United Nations Model Law on Electronic Commerce 1996. In India, the bill was finalized by a group of officials headed by the Minister of Information Technology, Mr. Pramod Mahajan ji. Then Kiryar Narayan. The bill was passed in budget session of 2000 and signed on 9th May 2000 by President. That's why the name of this act is IT Act 2000. And this law is applicable across India. There is a special feature of this law that if a person belong to other country, if he damage any computer or system located in India, then this act also applicable on that person. The act provides legal framework or electronic governance by giving recognition to digital signature and electronic records. And after the coming this act, there were changes in other sections as well, like Indian Penal Code, Indian Evidence Act, and the Reserve Bank of India. And after making this act, a tribunal was established, that is Cyber Appellate Tribunal. It also defines cybercrime and prescribed penalties of them. So this is the first section of section 65, that is tampering with computer resources document. If a person tries to tampering or destroy any computer source document which was given to be maintained by the government, then the person charged under section 65, that is tampering with computer source document. Next section is section 66, that is hacking with a computer system. If a person try to hack, destroy or damage the information, data or anything related to computer, then the person charged under 66, that is hacking with computer system. Then section 66B, that is receiving stolen computer or communication device. If a person using any stolen device for communication, then the person charged under 66B, that is receiving stolen computer or communication device. Next section is section 66C, that is using password of another person. If a person using password, digital signature or other unique identification number of another person, then the person charged under 66C, that is using password of another person. Section 66D, that is cheating using computer resource. If a person cheats someone using a computer resource or communication, then the person charged under 66D, that is cheating using computer resource. Our next section is section 66E, that is publishing private images of others. If a person capture or publish private images of other person without his permission, then the person charged under section 66E, that is publishing private images of others. Then section 66F, that is act of cyber terrorism. If a person intention of threatening with the unity, integrity or security of India, then he commit cyber terrorism. So that person charged under section 66F. Next section is section 67, publishing information which is absent in electronic form. If a person publish or transmit obscene images of a person in electronic form, then that person charged under section 67, that is publishing information which is absent in electronic form. Next, section 67A, that is publishing image contain sexual act. If a person publish or transmit images containing any sexual, then that person charged under section 67A, that is publishing image content sexual act. Section 67B, publishing child porn or predating children online. If a person capture or publish the sexual images of child, then the person charged under section 67B. Next section is section 67C, that is failure to maintain records. If a person who going to maintain the data in stipulated time and he fails, then that person charged under section 67C, that is failure to maintain records. Next section is section 68, that is failure to comply with orders. If a certified person fails to comply with act, rule or regulations of control, then the person charged under section 68, that is failure to comply with orders. Now section 69, that is failure to decrypt data. If a person gives data to encryption by the certifying authority, which is sovereignty or integrity on India, and if he fails, then that person charged under section 69, that is fails to decrypt data. Next section is section 70, that is secure access, attempting to secure access a protected system. If by order any system or network already kept, protect or secure, and if anyone tries to use that system, then the person charged under section 70, that is securing access or attempting to secure access to protected system. So if you are learning ethical hacking, then keep in mind that you are not doing any of these things. Otherwise, you can be charged under IT Acts. So be an ethical hacker, not a black hat hacker. So that is enough for this video. See you again in the next video.